Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt. Good Saturday evening to you. I've been off the past few days enjoying some of this nice weather that we've had. Today I noticed a lot of folks. I was driving in, working in the yard with the rakes out there doing a little planting, and I think as we move ahead, I know for a lot of folks are going to become more concerned with those freezing temperatures in the forecast, and we will be talking about a change back over to much colder weather here in the next few days. Now, highs today in the 70s, a nice little recovery, and you know what? Tonight is just a great night to get out there, fire up the grill. Maybe you're planning on sitting out back and soaking up some of this mild weather, doing a little chilling and grilling. You see around 5 o'clock, 71 degrees, 7 o'clock down to 68, but just a few scattered clouds. We're still talking about some rainfall here. Notice the development back to the west of us, across Arkansas. That's an area of low pressure, and it's riding along a front that the front right now is draped across North Alabama. You can see a few of those clouds out there. You go south of the front, it is much warmer, but look at those temperatures, 78 Tuscaloosa, 76 degrees in Birmingham. And let me zoom out here just a bit and show you this rainfall activity. You can see the lightning flashing right there along the front, and let me draw the front on the map, and you see that the front's not too far from here. So overnight, the winds become northerly as this front sags southward across the area, and we get the rainfall, but this will mainly be after midnight. I want to time this out for you, and you see around 3:30 a.m. here comes the shower activity, maybe a few thunderstorms. 7:30 in the morning, we wake up to a greater coverage of wet weather, but this should be tapering off by lunchtime, and into the afternoon there could be some peaks of sunshine. Now that will help us out for certain, but still a much colder day, only 58 degrees for a high temperature, well below those upper 70s that we're seeing on the map right now. And you can see the trend here as we move ahead. Another cold surge, really cold stuff, early Monday morning around 35 degrees, so that means areas north of Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston, those outlying areas, a light freeze possible, so plan on a frosty start early Monday morning, afternoon highs in the upper 50s. We will get some sunshine on Monday, but then another shot of cold air rolls our way. Watch this as we go through Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. This is probably going to be the coldest morning early Wednesday of the next 7. We drop to around 28 degrees, so freezing temperatures likely by the mid portion of the week. And I tell you what, Tuesday we're going to get some sunshine in here, but it's still going to be a chilly day as that cold air rolls in. We'll have a cold north wind. So that's what we're going to be talking about. Some much colder weather behind this rainmaker that we have moving in here tonight. Notice the lows tonight down to 50 degrees for Birmingham, maybe some 40s to the northwest as that cold air sags southward. And here's the tricky part. You look at the forecast for tomorrow, we're going to have a low of 44. That's because tomorrow night's going to be colder than when we wake up tomorrow morning. We're going to start off around 50 degrees, some rain and thunderstorms late. High of only 58 degrees for our Sunday. That afternoon sunshine should help us out, but the better coverage of rain and clouds will be during the morning hours. Notice that north wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour. So a much colder day for tomorrow. Monday, 59 degrees for a high temperature. So say so long to those 70s for a while. Just looking at the 7-day forecast here, I'm working on that at the moment. Looks like as we move ahead, we're going to have 50s through Wednesday, mid-60s by Thursday. So a cooler trend that we'll have in the 7-day forecast. That's coming up tonight on Fox 6 News at 9 and 10. And check out our latest forecast discussion on the weather blog at myfoxtracker.com. Facebook.com, you can find me at Wes Wyatt Fox 6 if you are on Facebook. And if you're on Twitter, you can find me at Wes Wyatt Weather. Always glad to answer questions about the forecast and just chat if you want to say hello. I'll be seeing you back here later tonight on Channel 6. In the meantime, enjoy this pleasant evening.